Hey everyone, Happy Chef here. So today I'm going to show you how to make ciabatta. So very simple. I got the all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon yeast and then 1 teaspoon salt and a couple of spoons olive oil. So first important is you got the water is warm water. Yeah. So first, I'm going to dissolve the yeast first. And salt. And wait a couple minutes. So now we're going to mix the dough. So add the mixture. And couple spoon olive oil. 2 tablespoons. So the dough is a little bit wet, but this is supposed to be just a gentle fold. Mix properly. And we cover up with the tea towel. So now cover up with the tea towel. So depending room temperature, probably 1 hour later we check again. So we fold again. So make sure hang a little bit wet because the dough gonna be very stiff. So this time fold properly. So this is gonna be last fold. So before your fold, make sure the hand a little bit wet with the water. So dough very good. So we cover up. So shift some flour on top. So gentle stretch. So already prepared, so not so really thick. And then now cut into rectangle one. Just use little bit water in the brush on top, and then put in the sesame seeds on top. So now just sprinkle little bit sesame seed, so you can use or pop a seed, any seed you like. So after that, cut flour with a tea towel, another 20 to 30 minutes, and then we bake them. So now we're going to bake them. So now size much bigger.